Chronokernel, a non-invasive maturity detector for unharvested white corn using machine learning and near-infrared technology. Chronokernel is a user-friendly device that helps farmers, vendors, and consumers determine the maturity of white corn without removing the husk. It uses near-infrared technology and machine learning to analyze the corn's maturity. By measuring the reflected or absorbed light of white corn in the near-infrared spectrum across 6 channels, Chronokernel can accurately tell if the corn is immature, mature, or over-mature. This process is non-destructive, making it a reliable tool for beneficiaries to ensure the best quality of their harvest or cooking requirements. Designed for convenience and portability, the Chronokernel measures 200 mm in length, 87 mm in width, and 41.40 mm in depth. Corn maturity detector composed of 6 main parts, each serving a crucial function. Protective cap is to protect the NIR sensor and LEDs when not in use, ensuring their longevity and accuracy by protecting them from dust and damage. At the top is a 90-degree rotating NIR shroud, housing the near-infrared sensor and LEDs for precise corn ear alignment and maturity analysis. The shroud's 25 mm curves ensure a secure fit for accurate white corn sample analysis. A user-friendly display below the shroud provides a clear interface for interpreting maturity analysis results. Adjacent to the display is a power button for ease operation, and below it, the Predict and Home button. Predict button initiates the prediction process, activates the LEDs, while the Home button returns to the main display for a new analysis. The charging indicators. A red LED shows the device is charging, while a green LED lights up when it is fully charged. Lastly, the Type-C charging port. Traditional invasive methods, specifically pinching or milking, were used to establish baseline maturity stages for comparison conducted with local farmers. Traditional non-invasive tactile and visual cues gains only 63.33% success rate, while Chronokernel gains 92.22% success rate, emphasizing the reliability of the Chronokernel device in determining the maturity of the white corn compared to traditional non-destructive method. Test results shows a chi-squared statistics of 2.0690, which is below the critical value of 3.8415 and a p-value of 0.1503, exceeding the 0.05 significant level. This indicates no statistically significant difference between the non-invasive Chronokernel device and the traditional pinching or milking method. Therefore, Chronokernel device is as effective as the traditional invasive method for determining the maturity of white corn, supporting its potential as a non-destructive alternative for maturity assessment. Feedback gathered through a 4-point Likert scale questionnaire and interviews from intended beneficiaries indicated a generally positive perception of the device's usability, satisfaction, perceived accuracy, and reliability.
I'm Larry Gonzalez. I'm 41 years old. Five years. Pag kayo nangingitim na, sumari na sa i-harvest. Pag kayo nag-brownish yung pag nag-brown na siya. Sa meron, may days naman siyang pwedeng basihan. Diba, alam ko na rin. Tapos basihan mo siya ng 65 days, maaari mo siyang i-harvest. Kasi pag time na hindi natin alam na yung buwan natin tinanim, hindi natin alam, kasi nakalimot. Tapos bigla natin hinarvest na sa paligid natin pwede na. Pero pag bukas, hindi pa pala pwede. Mas madali siya kasi hindi mo na kailangan na nakalimot ka pa lang tinanim. At kung mayroon ka nito, madali mo sa madali kung pwede siyang i-harvest. Maaluan. Kasi ang baga na iba, mahirap bago maintindihan ito. Simple lang, malalaman mo na agad. Oo, kasi base din sa itsura ng mais na test natin, kaya niyang yung resulta niya, nagkukusa ako ng mais. Oo, laking bagay ito sa mga, halimbawa, yung mga baguhan na hindi alam kung paano ilang araw ito. Kung meron ka nito, madali na madidig na pwede itong harvest. Kahit hindi na magtambay sa iba-ibang lugar na tao na may alam. Pag meron ka nito, mas maaluan kasi hindi ka na tanong sa may rumiyalo na sa pagbabais.
Romeo Ilagan and I'm 60 na. Actually, paborito ko yung white corn especially yung nilalaga namin yung white corn kasi mas better yun sa yellow corn pag pinakain. Mas parang mas yung native kasi yung white yung mas matagis para sa amin. Mas masarap kainin. Yun, pag merienda, pag kumakain ng mais, minsan ginugulay namin yung mais din, yung white, yung corn, ginagawa namin ng gulay din. Pag bumibili ako sa yung texture ng mais, tinitingnan ko kung pagka matigas pisilin, siya ay matured. So yung katamtaman lang panggulay, medyo malambot. And then yung medyo matigas sa konti, panlaga yun. I know. Kasi pagka masyadong matigas, hindi rin medyo masarap kainin. So yun yung pinipili ko, yung katamtaman lang yung gulang panglaga. Hindi lang naman kasi sa ating sa demo ay i-press lang yung button and then tatapat yung mais dito sa ating gadgets na to. At madali naman nakita yung result after ma-press ay nakita ko na yung result ng yung maturity ng mais, kung mature or over mature. Based sa ating result, nakita natin yung mais mismo nung binuksan natin. Tumama naman doon sa prediction ng ating gadget. Sa palagay ko makakatulong ito kasi pag bumibili ng mais, mahirap yung binubuksan lahat natin yung mais para makita kung mature para tapos hindi mabibili. So para doon pa lang may balat siya, madali pala natin ma-predict na determine kung mature yung mais. So it's a good product and a good idea. So it helps a lot sa mga consumer katulad ko na bumibili ng mais.